Hello everyone, welcome to Anthropology. Today's first question is Kumbhapetai village in Tanjore district of Tamil Nadu was studied by Kathleen Gog. Some more details. Social structure in Kumbhapetai, another Brahmin village. And Kathleen Gog studied it in 1951 and restudied in 1976. And it was a Brahmin dominant village. Another village also there during Srinivas, which was Rampura, which also was a Brahmin dominant village. Next, the number of digital tidy are 4. Characteristically, there are 4 digital tidy located at the base of digit 2, 3, 4 and 5 in proximal relation. They are named as A, B, C, D in radio-ulnar sequence. The 4 main lines originating from digital tidy are A, B, C, D in radio-ulnar sequence. Okay. Next. While total fertility rate is probably the most useful measure of fertility, it is a poor measure of population growth since it does not take into account. So, what is does not take into account, which is mortality rate and age structure. There are some more information. Total fertility rate only measures the average number of children a woman would have in her lifetime, but it does not consider age structure and mortality rate. You also studied it that age structure refers to the proportion of people in different age groups which affects the number of people in reproductive age. And another thing which is mortality rate, the number of death at different ages, which affects the number of people surviving to reproductive ages. Okay. Next. Who was the first anthropologist to use expression of social network? Answer is John Barner. In anthropology, the foundation for social network theory is the theoretical and ethnographic work of Malinowski, Radcliffe Brown and Levi-Strauss. Okay. Next. Which of the following is used for amplification of DNA in the process of DNA fingerprinting? Answer is polymerase chain reaction or PCR. To ensure that there is sufficient DNA for downstream analysis, the STR sequences are amplified using polymerase chain reaction method. Important question. Next. Who defined culture circle as a culture complex which embraces all the essential and necessary categories of human nature? Squimmit in the year of 1937. He wrote that a culture complex can be called culturcrace if it embraces all the essential categories of human culture such as material culture, economy and religion. Next. Leaf fossils were recovered from the deposit of which formation in Swan Valley? Swan Valley or Swan Valley, same. Leaf fossils were recovered from the deposit of the Deccan Traps and the Intertrapian beds, but specifically from the Rajmahal Formation. And the Rajmahal Formation located in the Swan Valley, Jharkhand, India. It is geological formation that contain fossilized leaves and other plants remains. Okay. Next. We are trying to provide some important questions. So please read carefully. Who is the author of book titled The Origin of Family, Private Property and the State? Friedrich Engels. In the year of 1884. The origins of the family, private property and the state was in fact largely based on Morgan's Ancient Society. Important questions. Next. In which of the following years the painted grey ware was first discovered? In the year of 1917. Initially discovered by archaeologist Dayaram Shani in 1917 at the site of Achi Chatra in UP, India. However, it was later extensively excavated and studied by other archaeologists like R.C. Gore, Bibilal, etc. Next. In which of the bone conoid tubercle is present? Conoid tubercle. Answer is clavicle. The conoid tubercle is the prominent eminence found on the lateral 1/3 of the inferior surface of the clavicle. Next. Human skeletons from Deulga Hills were excavated by Shankalia, H.D. Shankalia in the year of 1954. Shankalia was a renowned Indian archaeologist, led the excavation at the Deulga Hills in Maharashtra in 1954. Excavated several human skeletons along with other archaeological remains, providing valuable insights into the lives of ancient Indians. Okay. The Deulga Hills excavation is significant because it shed light on the cultural and biological aspects of the ancient people who lived in the region during Mesolithic period. Okay, important question. Next. Clifford Geertz analyzed the cockfight in the Indonesian island of Bali to comprehend the Balinese worldview. This is an example for cultural hermeneutics. Geertz's application of hermeneutic principles to understand the cockfight as a cultural phenomena that requires interpretation and contextualization to reveal its meaning and significance. Geertz's work, Deep Play, notes on the Balinese cockfight in the year of 1973. So it is very important question. Please note it down. Next. S.C. Dube's India's Changing Village highlighted the following with regard to community development project. Top-down approach. First one. Dube criticized the top-down or top-down approach of community development projects where decisions were made by external authorities without adequate involvement of the local communities. And apart from this approach, lack of community participation, cultural insensitivity, overemphasis on technology, neglect of power dynamics. So these are the highlighted things in S.C. Dube's India's Changing Village. So who wrote the book India's Changing Village? S.C. Dube. Next. The view that direct access to land is a prime test of tribal organization. And the larger the production of a given group in India, the more direct access to land closure that group is to a tribal kind of organization. This expression expressed by Surajit Sinha in the year of 1962. Okay, next. In Kerala, the Mesolithic cultural evidence was first discovered by which of the following archaeologist? Answer is Raja Gopalan in 1960s. Rajagopalan was an Indian archaeologist, conducted excavations at the Edakkal caves in Wanad, Kerala and discovered Mesolithic stone tools and other cultural remains, marking a significant milestone in the study of Kerala's prehistoric past. Very important question, very, very important question. Next. Okay, so that's for today and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and like our channel Anthropozone. Thank you.